A standardized and intelligent metal tube drilling production line is reshaping the precision machining process of the global manufacturing industry. With precise structure and rigorous logic, every link is optimized for efficiency, and every inch is responsible for quality. A simple start also harbors the efficient synergy of people and equipment. Standardized loading area, compatible with a variety of pipe specifications, can be easily operated by a single person, efficiently accessing the entire line rhythm. Electric feeding system, precise advancement of each pipe, adjustable length and pitch, support for multi-stage drilling and continuous processing. Stable is its base color. Fast is its instinct. In the unseen position, the pallet system silently supports, effectively prevents the long tube from sagging and shifting, and guarantees the accuracy of each hole position as the same. The automatic clamping mold is quickly positioned according to the set size and remains stable and accurate under high-frequency operation. High-speed rotation, precise hole entry, dry and sharp. The drilling system supports multi-axis synchronization, multiplying efficiency. No matter thin-walled stainless steel or thickened structural pipe, it can easily handle. Processing is completed, the finished product is automatically retired, the tube hole is clean, no need for secondary processing, a 1-2 punch without wasting a second of rhythm. Pick up your cell phone and control the entire production line remotely. Parameter setting, status detection, fault reminder, a key directly. The holes are neatly placed with smooth edges, from single hole, double hole, to shaped cloth hole, from bracket pipe, frame pipe to assembly connection pipe, can be efficiently completed. Our tube drilling machines are widely used in the air conditioning and solar water heater industries to meet the needs of drilling tubes of different structures and sizes. Our products are exported to more than 80 countries around the world and have won trust for their stability and efficiency. For us, manufacturing is not only the delivery of equipment, but also the continuous output of technical standards and quality concepts. Want to know if this production line is suitable for your product? Welcome to leave a message about your needs and get exclusive program and quotation. Pipe drilling? Choosing the right equipment is the first step to high efficiency.